Today we're at a farm. We're gonna be hanging out with a bunch of different farm animals. Look how cute. This is my new friend. Say hi. He's so cute. Look how adorable he is. That's a baby cow. They're so cute. Mira aquel. Alright guys, we're at the farm. Okay, we got something to say. Alright, I don't think she's happy that we're here. La vaca. Let's go pet the cow. She's eating right now. Let's go give her some pets. Hi. Oh, she's scared. Yeah, it's probably not a good idea. Hello, babies. Hi. She's like, leave me alone. She's like, she doesn't want any pets today. Look how pretty she is, guys. What should we call her? Nice to meet you. I'm scared. Guys, we're ready to milk some cows. Yes, I've done it before. I've done it a couple times.
Está bien papacito, la verdad. Oh my
Sí.
God. Yo no entiendo por qué me traen a mí aquí. O sea, es que mira, los del rancho son bien hombres.
Ajá.
Hoy en día está muy difícil encontrar hombre de verdad, un hombre macho de verdad.
Sí.
Y pues la única manera es uno de rancho.
So right now we're getting ready. We're setting up. That way we can start milking the cow. She's ready to go, guys. We're ready.
Limpiando.
Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. Me da miedo. Me dio una en la cara. Con la cola. Sí, sí, sí. She hit me with the tail. Right here. No va a mirar.
No, no.
It's just the cow was pooping. Yeah, it grossed me out. Okay, so we're switching the cow because the other one looks like got over it, which is fine. You know, we gotta let her be. But we're gonna finish milking her, and then we're gonna be making the pajarete drink. Let's see, guys. So it has sugar, alcohol, and then we set it on fire. It's really, really hot. Okay, guys, so we have the sugar and then we have the alcohol here. Now we're gonna put the raw milk. Ready?
Sabe buenísimo. Riquísimo.
10 out of 10, guys. Eso.
Uy, delicioso. Delicioso, delicioso.
We are done milking her. All right, bye, Panchita. We're done. We're gonna release her now. We made the pajaretes. It was so good. Now we're done. Thank you. Oh. Guys, look at the chickens. I love chickens. When I retire, I'm gonna have a bunch of chickens.
A ver, un poquito, pero ¿cómo le haces así? Como que...
I'm gonna work here now, guys. I'm from El Rancho now. His name is Panchito. Hola, say hi. Oh, we have more over there. Okay, go with your friends. Go with your friends. Come here. Vente. Vente. Ay, look how cute. They're so cute. I love them. They're so fluffy. I'm gonna die. Guys, we have a baby cow here. Look, come here. Can we carry you? Oh my God, he's heavy. Oh my God, he's definitely like, it's okay. He's safe. He's fine. Look how cute he is. Mama's right behind us to make sure that we're being good. She's fine. There's a lot of trust here. I feel like she feels my vibe, you know, that I'm not going to do anything to its baby. You guys, he's only 4 days old. Look how beautiful he is. You guys, you see that turkey over there? I heard he's an asshole. He's mean. He's a mean one. Why are you being mean to everyone? You're being mean to all the animals and all the humans here. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah. No. Look at him. He's like, he's gonna go fuck with a cow now. He's like, I'm coming after you. Yeah? Oh, hell no. He's following me. What happened to the horse? He wants belly rubs. Let's go.
Oh,
Está bien. Ay, está bien.
pero voy que sentado, mira.
Ajá.
Oh,
Ay, no, no me da
y
miedo.
se queda sentado.
Chismoso. Mira, chismoso. Chismosos. Qué bonito. Ay. ¿Tiene 4 años?
No, ya va a cumplir 8 años.
¿O 8 años?
Sí.
Camina, camina, camina. Vaquero. I was really nervous. You could probably see it on my face. And I felt like you transfer that energy to the horse. So they get nervous. But yeah, it's just like, I get scared, guys.
Da nervios.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna be drinking. This is a pajarete. Same thing as last time. Okay. She's like, no. Same thing as last time, but it's with goat milk, chocomil. It's like hot chocolate with alcohol in it. 10 out of 10. ¿Verdad?
Cheers.
Cheers. Mm. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yeah, it's okay.
Eso para mover el bote. Oh, eso.
Ay, mira qué bonito. Está comiendo.
Que se alimente, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Multita.
Ey. ¡Ay! Bien perdidas. Alright, guys. This is the end of my farm day. Anyways, we hung out with some horses. We got some good content for TikTok, Instagram. We were milking the cows. We made some pajaretes. We had a great time. This is a great time. I really enjoyed it because I really love animals. And look at these baby cows over there. They're so cute. They're so cute. Mira aquel metiche. Look at him. What are you looking at? You guys, the baby goats were so cute. Those are my favorite ones. What were your favorite ones? Because my favorite ones were the baby goats. They're so cute. Anyways, look at this guy right here.